What's up, guys? I'm here at the 2025 New York Auto Show, and I'm here with the all-new 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback. So this builds on the already pretty popular Kia K4 Sedan, but in my opinion, now it just makes it look a whole lot better. So this one here doesn't specify what trim level it is, but based on the wheels, I'm gonna guess it is the GT line turbo. So this is gonna offer the same two engine choices as the Sedan. The first one is a 2-liter inline 4 with 147 horsepower, 132 pound-feet of torque, and that'll be paired with a CVT. Or you can upgrade to the turbo. It's a 1.6-liter turbo, 190 horsepower, and 195 pound-feet of torque, and that one's paired with an 8-speed automatic. So looking at the front end, this is gonna be identical to the K4 Sedan. You have your Kia Tiger nose grille up front, a lot of gloss black accents on the inside, another opening down here at the bottom, a nice little silver trim piece down here. That's your radar sensor right there. But as you can see, there's a whole bunch of gloss black instead of flat black. Looks a lot more high end. I like the brushed finish on the Kia badge here. Nice little silver trim there. The GT line turbo gets these square little LED lighting elements. You have your low beam right there, and then you have an amber daytime running light, I believe. Daytime running light also doubles as the turn signal. Down below, we have some parking sensors. Don't see any kind of aerodynamic venting on this one. We have these blacked out 18-inch wheels, Kumo Majesty tires, 235 on the width with a 40 series sidewall. Really nice high-end looking mirrors. We have gloss black on the cap here with a nice brushed silver down underneath. Integrated LED turn signal. We have another flat silver trim on the lower part of the window. We have gloss black going along the top. And just like the Sedan, we have that hidden door handle up on the pillar. But I love the shape of this rear end. And now heading back to the rear end, you can see the tail lights are pretty much the same shape as the ones on the Sedan. But of course, the back comes up a lot higher. We have this slightly sloped roof line here, little protruding spoiler there. And just like the Sedan, more gloss black along the bottom. It just has a very premium appearance. There isn't really anything on it that looks cheap. Now, unfortunately, this door is locked. I can't open the cargo area, and there's no real official numbers on cargo capacity yet either. All right, now let's head into the interior. Now, if you're already familiar with the inside of the Kia K4, this is basically identical. Same steering wheel, same infotainment, the dual screen that's nearly 30 inches all the way across diagonally. I apologize for the lighting. It's not great in here since we are indoors, but I do like how Kia includes these shortcut buttons so you can reach whatever it is you need from wherever you are on the screen. AC controls here. Down below, we have 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt outlet. Down here, we got the retractable cup holders. Those are cool. Inside the center console, has a decent amount of space. It's not huge, but I got average, I guess. Glove box is a good size. This one has kind of a two-tone colorway on the seat. We got a nice seating surface. GT line embossed right there into the seat. Big fan of the headrest. I think it's a really sporty, very modern design. Looking up top, we do have a standard size moonroof. Really nice leather wrapped steering wheel, two-tone, black with the white. As far as material quality, soft touch up on the top, although it is a little bit hard. More plastic bits down here. We have like a shiny gray trim right there. A little bit better than gloss black. Helps keep fingerprints at bay. I like how the two-tone colorway continues here on the center console. Again, I believe this is the GT line turbo. We have 2 memory settings for the driver. The front seats are both heated and ventilated. Nice silver door handle. And it appears we have automatic up-down for just the front 2 windows, not in the rear. Decent storage pocket there. And as you can see here, this one is equipped with a Harman Kardon audio system. Don't have the exact specs on it, but it should be the exact same as the system on the K4 Sedan. And now heading into the back seat. Because the car is turned off, I can't use the power seat controls to move the seat up. So typically I would just have it just a little bit more forward, but as you can see, even like this, this is technically, a compact vehicle. I still have, even with the seat further back than I normally sit, about 2 or 3 inches of legroom to spare. Now, as far as the pockets, we get like a fishnet style pocket only on the right side, not on the left. Down below here, we have 2 air vents, 2 USB-C ports, a small little storage pocket there. Now, unfortunately, the material quality from the front does not translate to the rear. This is hard plastic at the top, but this is soft, nice soft armrest. And center armrest, 2 cup holders, and mildly soft. It's not hard, not super soft, but it's passable. Yeah, and talking about the material quality, almost forgot the front. Soft touch up here at the top, softer than the one on the dash, so it does feel better. Side panel here is really soft, actually. Nice soft armrest. So that's gonna wrap up this quick first look of the 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let me know down in the comment section what other vehicles you want to see on the channel next. And be sure to follow at Optical Automotive on TikTok and Instagram, and check out the page on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later.